Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to my channel Technical DHS. In this video we will learn how to know your system information, how to know your laptop or PC information like hardware information, sound information, display information, operating system information. So for that purpose I will guide you for Windows 11 and Windows 10 also. Windows 11 user should use this command. First of all, press Window plus R button from your keyboard. As you can see that the search box has been appeared. Okay, now the same command Windows plus R can apply Windows 10 user also, but in case of if the search box does not appear, so Windows 10 users can apply second command, which is Control plus Escape button at a time. Control plus Escape button at a time, the search box will be appear. Then write this command in the search box: DXDIAG. Write this command and click OK. Here you will see your system information about display, sound, and much more. You can find your information of system like name of my display, manufacturer, chip type, etc. This is a sound hardware name of my sound, high definition audio device. So like this you can also know your information about your system. Here you can find current date, computer name, operating system, language, manufacturer, system model. Yes, this is a important thing, system model, and processor, memory, which is called RAM also. So with this method you can search or find out your system information. I'm sure this video will be useful for you guys. For more interesting and useful videos you can visit my channel and you can watch. There are a lot of useful videos you can watch. There are a lot of useful videos for your devices, because we care about your devices. So for more interesting and useful videos, stay connected with my channel, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you will not miss any update of my new videos. Thank you guys for watching this video. Take care.